Okay, FM. Okay. 101.7.
Enra NDC amanyoko no eye press conference friends and trofo hyiamu yenko Sami Jamfiwo or national communication officer for the NDC egobusa ne se o team biemu ensam bai enana wo mugina so e press conference mu Sami Jamfi mi mo ache
Wame koma tikese mi nua penya wa yimi ama mejoso
na wo aja da bia wo ye press conference me de na mafrɛ wo wo TV so mini TV so na no me kopen kwase na wo ye yi e na wo mo ka se nye da Jamfi ba na gina TV so no se na de wo ye lawyer wa ye panimu e wo Ghana
yeah kwase de na yetete me yes
na Sami enro no press conference na de asemo
no na yensem ni no de di kind no na efa MPP primary so moye no na no memenda na de tosu mi no eye de ntia ifri se e wo se o my Ghana ye to aba edema His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na ofanso be di o my shubien na yedi kind on MPP primaries a course na no memenda no ye den sembe se a 9 and a 2 about it ye kan ne se so wo hwe intitira semo a course during the primaries na e kan ye pa because my Ghana be ye dru ewo ye ka bi ma minka bi mu no se ye kwa akoto aba na enye even abato a eye between one political party and another but a party baako mu abato nipa wo mu nyina fi efie baako mu e no mu gina ba na ekoye ntitira sem ekoye ntokwa ekoye oyeni e ma ye prepare nipa bu bi prepare wo mu in fact security agencies involved na ye hye ties ne sa nyema na eye ni buase e ma oman no e de oman no konechi especially when sa party no ene tia konwa so a omuna ya srafo ne ya police fo nyina omo so tumi omo kandifo ene ye Ghana mampanyi a oye commander in chief of Ghana Armed Forces enka ye hwese ira the NDC ye primaries nansen a ye ma ho kwan ma police fo nko a na ebo ban e ma bibia ya asumdue bibia ya jojo no enka omo so be ye bi because omo mpodie omo na etia konwa so a omo wo mampanyi a police for any asrafo nyina hye nsa be we die ye ya police for no asinchen yemfa bobia ma wo mo na Delta Force for ne Boligatanga Bulldogs Invisible Forces Kandahar Boys and ebo ban for various candidates and akoye ntokwa ya bubie prepare wo mo ene de keka ho ye hye ties a nyinu ya nimbu ase de o si nyina ye condemn ne ye catch o mampanyi kufu ado se o ya ama na broso e wo se wujai ye mu bi wo ani fi se all die be die wa pa ho ache wawie eti wa kra ye kire mo bibi kakra wa pa ho ache wawie nti se yi no wa sesa the politics ye mu bi ye nim se
Angisame ayi wo ka se ya bo se no mo so aba abeka se wo ka violence ya na nsan bi kura mo ko kumase eno so tututu bi kura ma ni pe mu ye so the party activity there
party penyufu aba party office Ashanti region mo yo mu meeting and na omo shede mo no ebi nu mu wa bonten eno MPP ni abefra MPP ni boy a one wutumi na ye adwuma aba befra
sa na ye
boy ba kwa aba be kontokwa wa boni tuo na wa dwane ko be si na ye pen wa ye hu no is it the same as ye hu no during elections on this day ye bwatwede MPP deputy regional secretary a police if wa bona papa na no amoje etu no yes ties across the country. Is that the same? So let's not compare oranges with apples. Violence during primaries are also across the country. In fact, me na me hear UTV live coverage. MPP election director no oya onibako onumpo no afere. I say we dey it should not be so.
Okay, sir.
Meaning say, but I say
or condemns the act. Says or condemn it. And
so even some MPP people are they see and or Montpen are condemning it. And if there was even a condemn or MPP party, no, now saying under the South Republic, in a sanity, or my penny could for honor. Now one time says man, because my penny could for you be the gentle Jack or Joe, maybe a cacao. But my penny could for the baby party and impair. Yet say all die, did die. We don't have police. Sammy, you got to say, Boligatanga Bulldogs, Kandahar boys, Azok, you're going to say, Abronye babies, Vota crocodiles, and the Akakawi. As some greater ideas to give him MPP. Yes, ask the good Sammy Adams or so, near to us.
Sammy,
Kwame Japan, near Foku, Yabu, Mwapamo, Murphy office. Tanya Mana, Mugusu, Moya, Munyaye. And it is escalating, it is getting worse by the day. And Kwame, what we are saying is, is this Sana? On my moon in an head, if we anymore say. Into my penny good for what your party candy for no. Over the 94. Also, sir, Nadio. Now I'm making sure, say. I
don't know. Who's Sammy? Sammy,
this MPP. Na omo party ni mo jua eye e de magana no na ya de kan ya kan
they toss me
no eye de si ya eye nyina ya ni semwa dream chrono kata hye proye ne kankan de obroni fa no vote by minua na etan she MPP party kwame na nsia no mu position omo office e wo Asylum down headquarters o Lido kra 2016 ya no mu ntimia 2016 ya omo opposition no mo ye party programmer omo sika including street workers omo to nyema wodwom kaya yefu nyina no mo kwesere soro musika se omo de ba ye party because omo nibi kapre no mu nibi Dr. Bawumia ne John Boadu mu ko China ne biafia mama de bre so ko ye kitwa bi nsa la sulala en ko sire sika so mo de ba be yo mo party ape ye to aba mama betena kunya so 3.5 years pair mu ko ye mu ankasa mo party mu abato a kwa me sika pa ye chele basa mini ya mani fi ya ni bi amanyo semeti da
Samina NDC for mun just can me
ba all the vote buying there enya de fufuro se me no ka se me ka kiro se MPP for nkwa no mo to aba obi sika wo mu a na me yotorofo na me ye nya atwo enya de fufuro asia NDC EDC MPP EDC CPP PNC party se wo ha nyina EDC but come say what sentence so they go where ya che tetena esi no esi wo kokom ena no so no yesi kan keten bi na ma votua no mpo no enya ye nyina ye kasa tia ne ye kutia ne pese bi tu ase baby before the idea kwame 5,000 cedis per delegate 5,000 cedis per delegate 3,000 cedis per delegate omo mo ntua kwa 2,000 per delegate the day no ye tia sika bebebe we
na oba
moto track ma bicycle track ma flat screen ye chene sen katie TV kakraka ne friend flat screen no track no ye chene sen katie e ye hey o betra ko nya sui na nsen ana monya sika bebebe we na makatua a moje ne busumi bi e betina ye de mo ye enti sika no munya na wo he because ye ni machance 2016 light goal o party headquarters kwa na mo dibi mfia mo stress sika ko stress ka ya yefu de nyina enne mo pem ho anya enti sika parliamentary primaries keke mo cheni and you see the amani ya MPC and the kwame some of the candidates no omo abemu a omo he sika so ebi did that the new market ya kese ano oko ba bi se tia eso a sevra mo ateka oda masloka no Ghana bebi ayedi esika fadem mabosia ma bi adwuma ni pa bebi o business o me da no wo asenso boache e wo bansema o de sika tu o chema boache ya deputy chief of staff who was so many of these people so they are not just private citizens or mucho musika no waka sen family These are government officials. Sika omo chenu bi so omo say. Omo nya sika no wo he. Omo ka tua beti na sa ade no. The answer is no. Let's say me ne wo to na ye tua. Me ne wo ahotra ye wo mu o man ga na sika wo se use ma asu ye nya so no. Eno na NPP fo di nya kunya ya se ma da bi 5,000. E bi mpo eno America central ni ba ko se masa o teso. Na ba bi a me call ye kwa de no mo $10. And Pampa sending the video. And I'm going to share some of the videos with you. A big 64 na ye, a big media organizations Nankasa na ye. I think. Also, opening him the back, I can't answer what's way there. Abruso. Obi any that way you had the photo. But in Pempen, so MPP for the Juno. Master at time. Any said, yes. One man, they are supposed to be. I have COVID-19 preventive protocols. And no, I am MPP for Memendai. Omo to twene ye omo tietia so omo anfa nya adwuma a police fuo ehwa abato esu nyina gina ho bi na omo yi omo ni ato nchen wa me no de eye me ya san so ye mabufu because obi say won say enti omo penya kukwado ni MPP fo omo ye serious about yareboni ya aba coronavirus ya yina ye ko atia are they really serious about it? Are they really serious or eye kasa? Ubisa won say ana say Ghana ha no ye wo mra edi MPP for ne wo mra edi ayaka na na ubisa won say MPP for bro mra so MPP for ye nipa chen ye mu bia na because ye nyina ye ti o mamu yare aba o mampanyi say ye nye social distancing ye say face mask ye nye we se ne be ya ye betimi ya ko acha yare no ama ne nam so kwa hemra EIC4 wa when you so no ye chewa ye do ko gina court wudi fo a ye do ko to afiase amparampara asofo bi no mu a ye se o mo abu EIC4 yi so na eni so mu bi o masore e na o mu ko bi o masore kwani wuni ye di dia ko gina court e bi o masore ma ye bu o mo fo ama na o mu da afiase o mo bo ne o mo ye nyina na so mu bi o masore asofo citizens bi wo a e na o mu da afiase certain do is ya so she face mask na amount sofi you say ko gina gatamu na kwatitim ama kwa me kra wa condemn bebre wo fidie so say that treatment no inhumane and degrading enye a police for ya o na o man panyi o no share samra we edi amanfo akwada prison wa na wo tan so ye MPP candidate na wa watinya ye primary ama won for party panyifo atiatia samra we so no enti na we opanyipa and amra no eni MPP for and amra no MPP for broso and now the coronavirus no they say they ya peda yensa so ya say ya fairly etino I mean we don't care about what happens because we are talking about public health and public safety for God's sake. The people that are crying, they obviously are signing for her. And the NPP for them, we are all at risk. We are all at risk. So we have to speak against this. And I mean, make a crumple say, it's almost a year to prison for breaching this law. So is that fair? Is that justifiable? Looking at how the MPP or one can say, Mrano, and you MPP say, if we say, emra no ye disu bi mu a ye di omu nyina mpie no mo mayo masore e
na samye
so fon kra no o se mo nji ni more than 100 wo masore same for Nkremudem Masalachi o se akwa asore kra ye kwa ko bompa ya chi nyame na ma ye ni more than 1 hour NPP primary e di how many hours so many hours e di pa problem pe me jubilate na police for dra won ti gafia o bi sa won se ni e kiro mai
samye
ni di obi ba mra ni obi kwa mi e fe no ntwere ho. Finally, on NPP primaries, I said, why you can't say. So, what are the results nearby? MPP delegates, no Ghana for Makaya Sempa. I said, what? Or Makaya say, or Makaya say. Or one casa buying or Mampino Kufuad were buying, and more Mohammed. Or one casa buying more number, or made your mind down and more, or one new mobile. And Tino. No second chance. They play your first time MP. You say, you are more second term. Yes, we do man so any ya wo wetiko. They voted for change. Master, abatwa ye kwa koto MPP foi undemocratically or impose 65 senior officials of government on the people say we must yin pin until all post here will be on contest 65 of them. Because say almost say contest because we can for the bill. 101 now can almost about one solo. 41 certain MPs will be losing the state. You see, so the more than 40% are losing the state in your own party, and some of these people are in parliamentary leadership, chairman of parliamentary select committee 11, vice chairman of parliamentary select committee 4, regional ministers. Ni minister of state who come over deputy minister obunina lusu yes na sa for you adwuma mo ne o mampenya kukwado yi say so party fuani a adani ato abeti awo utie bebre ayase e no tema boaje onye hwe wo constituency ha onye hwe obeda ye bibi o mampenya kukwado a ono da na no a o share about $1 million for constituency no but no wedi so common fund okra wotia
mebo
$1 million ma common fund ma sikaba no tema boaje benya dia ye mputu nyuma wo bansema. It's the first time MPs be brave or what? Omampenya kufuado amamu na enko yene ne ho a omo ne ho modern no eno na akwati abomo. The message is clear say MPs for ankasa bonyo omampenya kufuado penyufu a oni omo ye adwuma no omo adwuma ye no omo ni omo bonyo so
Sammy obi a pese obobo ni di simi musa question bi say wo ye by that tangent there. And year 2016 no Ghana for a tour aba close to be 1 million near the idea no na on person almost chere say Muhammad Juma anko yi enti na wo mo ana masako for be bi mo you know person mo chere no say Juma anko yi after that time okay
but him say dodo na ene omo benya adwensa kira because ene o maso ansu aso ansa o the samre no man penye kufuado opposition o media konyada enti ni ye they will be to me. And they are about the Akonyan and a Bosch 631. Well, we are only 14%, 545 will bushel. Will be they will say, Papa, Bakasa, Unipapa, Bebe Jumadia on one number. Yebebe John Dramani Mama Juba Paniaka say, oh, even though say you did Tiano, 2016 and then the human so any. But then you heard your year now. And the COVID-19 by you can put in the hospital, so see, Regional Hospital, Bank of Ghana, University of Ghana Medical Center. Just have a pay when it's what you papa. He's a visionary or you're no quaffo. You bet to me at but at the time, Neddy, I know Mufi and a human swing. It is the same now. Mrs. Salman Pena Kufuado could generally come city cry. Send your incumbents, yes, you Lucy, come over to Abanetiano. MPP delegates now come to Tiano. Because, matter, almost more home day. And I'm not affecting incumbents with baby no. It is a clear vote of no confidence in President Akufo-Addo and his government. So, born home can be best incumbent MPs. And that is why we are saying, say, about why about the tree. And a referendum on the performance of President Akufo-Addo.
Now, Sammy, and
you ever be son. So, why, yes,
Sammy,
on there, I was here when the tico.
Sammy,
why am I want for your dear? They said you're saying a bonnet dear, and you're near man.
Sammy,
with dear Ramo.
Sammy,
what's that on your coffee?
Sammy,
and yen to me sounds on fire that and near crunch and 19 p.m. It is about who we can trust.
Okay, Sammy, any medal pay?
Yes, but Sammy, one mammy and fat Muhammad Yanaka Caribbean so.
You know, ain't that running mate in a bad bay?
The Badoze
running mate in a bad bay, come and penny Muhammad, you know.
President Mamma said constitutionally, no. One of the running mates in the way that. But and some of the bony dino, there was on the neck and the council of.
But who in there? Who in the background in the
council?
Okay, the two
council of elders and the neck, a drink, or not your drink transfer. Into a directed party penny for the young friend neck meeting and the council of elders meeting. And then I was soon we are on the way. It means I meetings in every na consultations they call come and check crown of the Budino. It be a manifesto so August ya the Babon thing. But Sakran the Bananra Yenyamere ekyerɛkyerɛ nyɛma a President Mahama edi kan aka dada sɛ ɔba ɔbɛyɛ edi ɛyɛ free technical and vocational education. Ɔfi under him wobɛsua technical or vocational course, whether secondary level or tertiary, wobɛkɔ free throughout. Ɔfi under him only ministers 124 that or be reduce the size of government by at least 40 ministers. Na sikank yede beto V8 saloon car yede be hand bank.
Me ba jo na say ni personnel
ya masa ministers we no. Ya save e dia yempuntunye ma Ghana fo nyina benya so mfa so. Will be reducing the size of government. Or the communication service tax na ama data any telephone and wire ding na e sika free butumu no. O man penye Kufuor na yen because or to 50% or see to aba man no any busu nyansa obi twem. Afei or say financial institutions have good savings and loans. But microfinance, men's gold, sanya money nyina amount for tika come, amount for life savings, amount for get access. No man penye Kufuor wa dada wa mosa ene o si o mon ti o mutika no so by 50% and then with your moka o si o buy the bosia kra obeje na wo de tua obia ka in full o ma wo paper bond bia a wo betinye yi sika in 5 years o be ma cash on tua ma bi nka wo be tua no in full na wetinye nya sika e de akwakoye wadwuma ana wonya bi de tua o school fees wonya bi de ahwehwe enti no so obeye Sami mi bajo mi bo National Apprenticeship Program.
Sami asan de be ko National Apprenticeship Program send nipa no a eye banks na kofo sika wo mu ni ade no say hu o mododo ansan watimi akase me ba metua
mo nyina dodo
muni mo nyina dodo
oh okay data ni nyina wo Bank of Ghana wo they know the customers of all these financial
na DKM de na ado no mo antua
na say DKM any strategy o mo ka ana winning DKM 2016 any strategy liquidation 2016 abai class ati twesika in fact you started chia customers neka yenwe ene yeso abetia ye in 2017 abai ne ba ya omu wetu na yesika President Mahama apagu no mu dibitia enti ye ya fa ne say e ya to yenchen because omo musika shimu ni na na abai na amana ba de sa wan konko gu obi adwuma enka de sika nkohye enwuma yiso ka obetinya save bebre with just 7 million Ghana cedis. One Simeguno, na media boutique and buy. We was spending over 20 billion. I think I made 7 billion a year. Or the 20 billion after no. What say we ye be di sika so no so than the boati bi. I just say we sika no. What is 50% and san ye tua ma. E ye ko no bo e ye sisie.
Okay.
Don't remind mama so be tua all. E biem no or say apart from free technical and vocational education and no dey just say what ku school and san wait to benefit from it. At the secondary level and tertiary, or by a National Apprenticeship Program. A committee there were wait here. So I could school da, so school da, so we match, so we are penny more yako that way at game. You know, Kaya you win a comma or more. President Mahama said, no answer will be registered National Apprenticeship Program. No, we are register here now. Then I'll visit Ushia at the farm. Since you Pabwa, since you weave baskets. Sene yesi eye welding we are branching o person welding and vulcanizing ye be attach to a master craftsman a wo be kire wadwuma no o kire wadwuma no because ye person wo tire ho sua nti no wo so mi bia ye betua oka wo be dia ketira eno na wo de be didi eno na de be ye keska te bo so mi bia wo sua adwuma wo and a National Apprenticeship Program but ye san so tua oka National Apprenticeship no so wo ntua sika bia e free wo sua adwuma no so ye tua oka na wusu wi a o mampanyin na nkasa ama wabodin wa ma license o ma license ni wi a se mfidie na wuhia to go and to welding business a ye dey fit na settle up se we na wuhia to sell de kwa kopama de a ma wo fidie na wa nkasa wo de akwa ye wadwuma self employment wa fa foforo so wadwuma enti policies ne de bebre free SHS ya na other traffic light ya ko green track gold track na ha emofredi sua akwa kwetena school 2 weeks 3 weeks no abafia betena fie be bosomi mienu na awofo oboka wo vacation classes ho ne de keka ho no o se oba pamdo twa no double track wo de yen obetwam na wa ye no one track because ono de obi anim se we din ba ko ne osi adan Mahama ntuntunyo mawura oba be ye investments in the education sector ebe masuku adan
Sami medase
ye tinya have one track secondary education system they said the Kwame Nkrumah tikesi ekobia ene waba be penny power Ghana ha no same to said the Sam agency any Isaac nyina ekobi no ha na be secondary school bisua it ya ka politics ni bebre na me say Kwame ene dey ni wo be frame me
yes
di won komo me pese na be time bebre
mate medasa no pay minua
me so me da sefa
bese me da se Sami Jemfi national communications officer de ma NDC amanyuko no ena ye ne na atwetwe enkomo okay 101.7 so enie
Okay FM 101.7